Which would you prefer to invest in? Art and collectibles or your dream vacation home?
Art gives you a lot of opportunities. You can actually do business around it. You can also be charitable about it. A vacation home, you can have memories, you can have business, you can have, great experiences. But let's say this is a destination house. If it's a destination vacation home. And the reason I want to do that is because you can have memories, you can have experiences, you can turn it into business, you can also use it for personal. It could also be legacy. So I'll choose a vacation home.
Vacation home or investing on gold?
I choose invest in a vacation home. And the reason I choose to invest in a vacation home rather than gold is because with a vacation home, that's a rental that I can turn into a business. I have cash flows, I have appreciation, and I have tax write-offs, right? So I have 3 advantages against gold. Now, gold can also be a good hedge against inflation, etc. But with real estate, I have equity, I have cash flows, and I have tax write-offs. So vacation home.
Investing in a vacation home or bonds?
This is a very interesting one because I'm going to choose bonds. The reason I'm choosing bonds over a vacation home is because by having a large balance of bonds, I can leverage that. I can have a line of credit against the bonds. The bonds will have interest payments that will pay the line of credit. Now, I take the line of credit and then buy real estate or invest in any other business that I'd like to invest in, right? So in this case, I will leverage the bonds. Normally, bonds are safe. You have to be watching the market because the value of the bonds could be going up and down depending on the interest rates, right? But historically, you can invest in bonds, you can leverage bonds and then buy other assets that are income producing, will give you equity, and they can give you write-offs.
Investing in bonds or retirement accounts?
I would go with bonds because I can leverage bonds, then create more income, and then have part of that income going into a retirement account.
Bonds or stocks?
Definitely stocks. You have to go with Uncle Warren, right? Warren taught me, and he teaches investors, like if you buy equities in a great business at a fair price, you have claims of earnings and equity of that business, right? So if the business is appreciating into the future, then your assets, your stake increases value. So I'll choose equities against bonds.
Stocks or crypto?
Stocks. I don't have anything against crypto, right? But stocks typically are safer just because businesses are more stable. You can leverage it, etc. Right? Crypto is also a great asset, but in the markets in which we're in my appetite, I choose stocks over crypto. I'm not saying no crypto. I'm just saying stocks over crypto. I choose stocks.